Trucks have evolved far beyond simple cargo haulers. Today, they are equipped with groundbreaking technologies that improve safety, increase efficiency, and make every journey smarter and more capable. In this video, we're counting down 10 next-level truck inventions you need to see. From futuristic loading systems and powerful recovery equipment to advanced driver assistance technology, each innovation reveals how rapidly the trucking industry is changing. Whether you're a passionate truck enthusiast, professional driver, or simply fascinated by impressive engineering, you'll discover remarkable gadgets and technologies shaping the future of transportation. These innovations are designed to make demanding tasks easier, improve driver awareness, and boost overall performance. Stay with us until the end, because some of these incredible truck technologies are so advanced, you'll wonder how trucks ever operated without them. The TATRA Force automated driving platform combines advanced autonomous driving technology with a highly versatile heavy-duty cabin built for demanding environments. Two-door configurations can comfortably accommodate 2 to 4 crew members, while the spacious 4-door version provides seating for up to 6 people with generous rear legroom. An extended cabin adds a third row, increasing capacity to 8 occupants while maintaining practicality and comfort. Combined with TATRA's renowned backbone chassis, exceptional off-road stability, and intelligent driving assistance systems, the platform delivers impressive capability across challenging terrain. Designed for demanding military, rescue, and industrial applications, TATRA Force provides a dependable and adaptable solution where safety, mobility, and reliability are essential. Its combination of advanced technology, flexible seating, and rugged engineering makes it well suited for operations in some of the world's toughest environments. The Nooteboom EURO-PX3 is engineered to make heavy-duty transport safer, more efficient, and easier to manage. Its lightweight yet exceptionally strong chassis maximizes payload capacity while maintaining durability and stability. A wider excavator trough and expanded loading deck provide additional space for transporting oversized machinery and equipment. The optimized steering system and large steering angle deliver excellent maneuverability while helping reduce tire wear during demanding operations. Available with 2 or 3 axle lines, the EURO-PX3 can support 12 or 14 tons per axle line at speeds of up to 80 km per hour. Multiple width, axle, and tire configurations provide flexibility for different applications. With durable components and reduced maintenance requirements, the EURO-PX3 is a reliable solution for demanding heavy haul and construction transport operations. The TIREMAAX Pro LB is an advanced tire pressure management system designed to keep trailer tires performing at their best under demanding conditions. It continuously monitors tire pressure and automatically adds air when needed, helping maintain proper inflation while driving. This can reduce uneven tire wear, improve fuel efficiency, extend tire lifespan, and minimize unexpected roadside issues. Built with durable air lines, protected wheel end components, and reliable pressure controls, the system is engineered for long-term performance. Ideal for long-haul and heavy-duty fleets, TIREMAAX Pro LB improves safety, reduces maintenance costs, and helps trailers operate efficiently over extended distances. The Garmin dēzl DualView blind spot camera is an advanced safety solution designed to improve visibility for commercial truck drivers. Its dual-camera setup provides live video from both sides of the vehicle, displayed directly on compatible Garmin dēzl truck navigators. By expanding the driver's field of view, it helps identify nearby vehicles, cyclists, and pedestrians during lane changes, turns, and tight maneuvers. Built for demanding all-weather conditions, the system delivers clear, low-latency footage while offering straightforward installation and seamless integration with Garmin navigation devices. By reducing blind spot uncertainty and improving situational awareness, the Garmin dēzl DualView blind spot camera helps drivers maneuver with greater confidence and control. It is a practical technology upgrade for safer, more informed driving on busy highways, city streets, and challenging routes. The Terberg RT403 is engineered for demanding industrial yards, steel plants, and heavy-duty transport operations. Powered by a 315 kW Volvo Stage V engine, a robust 4x4 drivetrain, and ZF automatic transmission, it delivers exceptional traction, pulling power, and reliability. Its 45-ton lifting fifth wheel and heavy-duty chassis are built to handle extreme workloads, while the Ergo Turn 180 degrees swiveling seat, spacious cab, and excellent visibility improve operator comfort and control. Terberg Connect telematics provides valuable operational information, while easy maintenance access helps reduce downtime. Designed for maximum productivity in challenging environments, the RT403 can confidently manage combined loads of up to 375 tons. The Faymonville FlexMAX is a versatile self-steering trailer engineered to transport exceptionally long self-supporting loads such as concrete beams, steel bridge sections, and timber. Available with 2 to 7 axles, it features an adjustable self-steering system that automatically follows the tractor, delivering excellent maneuverability through tight routes and challenging job sites. Operators can choose between air or hydraulic suspension, pendular axles, and 17.5, 19.5, or 22.5-inch tires to match specific transport requirements. Its adaptable chassis provides impressive payload capacity while maintaining stability, smooth handling, and durability under demanding conditions. Combining flexibility, strength, and advanced steering technology, the FlexMAX is an ideal solution for specialized heavy-haul operations where oversized loads require precise control and dependable performance. The Pavelli Helicopter Transporter is a custom-engineered heavy-duty trailer designed to safely move helicopters, aircraft components, and oversized specialized equipment. Built around a galvanized high-strength steel chassis, it combines durability with advanced loading and transport features. Hydraulic loading ramps, adjustable platforms, heavy-duty tie-down points, and remote-controlled hydraulic functions make loading and securing equipment more efficient. Air suspension improves ride stability, while extendable frame options provide greater flexibility for oversized loads. Powerful electric or hydraulic winches assist with controlled loading and positioning. Custom axle configurations and advanced braking systems further enhance stability, maneuverability, and safety during transportation. Combining rugged construction, adaptable design, and operator-friendly controls, the Pavelli Helicopter Transporter provides a dependable solution for demanding aviation logistics. It is engineered to deliver secure, efficient, and reliable transportation when moving valuable aircraft and specialized equipment between locations. The DAF Advanced Driver Assistance Systems (ADAS) package brings advanced safety technology to the latest generation of DAF trucks, including the XB, XD, XF, XG, and XG Plus models. Its comprehensive features include advanced emergency braking system (ABS) with radar and camera technology, drive-off assist, side and turn assist, speed limit recognition, driver drowsiness detection, tire pressure monitoring, a rear-view camera, event data recording, and alcohol interlock preparation. Working alongside DAF's excellent direct vision cab design, these systems provide drivers with greater awareness and control in challenging traffic situations. By helping detect potential hazards, supporting safer maneuvering, and protecting vulnerable road users, DAF ADAS reduces collision risks and promotes safer, smarter, and more confident transport operations. The Side Dump Industries Side Dump Trailer is engineered for demanding construction, mining, and aggregate hauling operations, combining rugged strength with fast, stable unloading. Built from high-strength 100 KSI steel, its frame and tab are designed to withstand heavy workloads and harsh environments. A 50-degree-plus dump angle, 5.5-inch hydraulic cylinders, and 25,000-pound axles provide impressive unloading performance and load capacity. The trailer also features Hutch 9700 suspension, with optional air ride, synthetic grease-sealed hubs, LED lighting, Parker quick couplers, and a tarp-ready tub. Its low center of gravity enhances stability, while bolted construction simplifies maintenance and reduces downtime. Designed for efficiency and durability, the Side Dump Industries trailer delivers dependable performance for demanding hauling applications where strength, stability, and productivity are essential. The Marcolin Covering retractable truck covering system is an efficient solution for tipper trucks, trailers, agricultural vehicles, and waste transport equipment requiring secure load protection. Its pre-assembled bows and tarp design enable fast installation, while a specialized folding mechanism helps extend tarp lifespan by reducing wear. Available in both manual and electric versions, the system improves aerodynamics, which can help lower fuel consumption, while providing a tight seal to prevent material loss during transport. Additional features include remote control operation, wind-resistant fastening systems, customizable accessories, easy maintenance, and durable construction. Designed for quarrying, construction, agriculture, and waste management applications, Marcolin Covering combines convenience, reliability, and versatility to deliver effective cargo protection and improved operational efficiency in demanding working environments.